So I just got this new retractable and rechargeable mirror. It's from Ilios, and you can take off the mirror and recharge it. I love this because it's adjustable, it's rechargeable, and it didn't require us doing anything deep into the wall that was going to be expensive. So this is really interesting. This is installed into the wall and you don't need electricity. So for us, this was a real money saver because we didn't have to hire an electrician. There were 4 bolts that go attached into the wall. I will admit to hiring a handyman to do that, but if you're handier than I, you could probably do it for yourself. Now, once the base is attached, you're going to screw this top part in and the adjustable arm. It's a little bit stiff when first installed, but it does loosen up. And then this is a magnetic ball. This is where the mirror is going to attach. The mirror itself comes in 2 magnification strengths. This is just normal 1 time, and it also comes in 5 time. It comes with a charging cord and block. So when you're ready to charge, you just plug it in. Then to attach it to the wall, I'm just going to match up this part to the magnetic ball. And I'm just going to twist it around a little bit, and then ta-da, it's done. Now my husband uses this mirror for shaving. I use it for kind of close-up makeup applications. Very easy to use, extremely easy to recharge, and I may invest in the 5 times strength and just swap out the 2 mirror heads. Now my mirror is fully charged, and of course it is rechargeable, and you can see even when it's not attached to the wall, it works.